Hey, let's get. I want to grab a fishing rod. How do you grab the fishing rod? How do you grab the fishing rod? You don't have to cut it. How do you buy it? Oh. This is such a weird mechanic. I'm gonna get my first fish. Freaking stinky. What? What do I do? I'm gonna whip you. Dude, you can hear me. Catch what? What is that? That's not a thing! Yeah. Like you're such a ding dong. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I got a fish! Oh yeah, I forgot. I ate this one by accident. I'm sorry. Let's feed it. Eat! Ah! Ah! Eat! Eat the fish. I don't think. Ow! Ah! I'm getting touched. Oh no, you shouldn't have done that. Let's choke it. We're not gonna die. Ooh, don't touch that. 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 I think we're in the room. Gorilla Take's never scary, bro. Gorilla Take sucks at horrors. I'm gonna take it. What is this? Oh no, it's flying. This fish sucks. What did I find? What did I find? What is this? It's like you need something. Ooh, I never. Ooh, I'm gonna touch the heart. That is not a heart. That is not a heart! That is not a heart! No! Ah, don't come down! Don't come down! It can climb up! Ah! That one can climb up too! Why can't they all climb up? Nah, I'm dipping, bro. You're on yourself. You're by yourself. I'm dipping. I'm dipping. Oh! To the entrance. You find a beautiful place. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful place I've ever been in. Look at this. This looks like your house. Dum dum. Dum dum. Come here. I'm going back. Okay, let's go up to it. It's like... Attempt 1. I don't get... I don't think I can kill it. I just tried 2 rocket launchers. Take him back. Take him back. Take him back. Oh. Okay. Go, go, go! Oh, they're trying to kill me. Oh. Oh, I died. This is our second attempt. If these bullets don't work, I don't know what's gonna work. So, yeah. Stay back! killed it. I killed it. Yeah, I'm ditching you now. No! Don't touch my bestie! I'm tired.